Alright guys, here we go. We're doing the 5 pins on each side, so we got these 5 pins being undone, and try to get as much solder as you can off those legs because you're going to be able to push it through. You see me pushing down on them, so push it through to the other side. I'm going to do it to the other one as well. And you want to get as much off as possible because when you go to put the other new ones in, if you have any of that solder obstructing that pathway, then you could bend the legs on them or pins, or you want it to be a clean fit. So here I go, turn it on for the first time. See if it goes. Yep, relay clicked off. There it is. I had 2 to do, so I did this one without a hitch. Yeah, this is the second one of the 2. This is a full job replacement right here. Solder it up, put it back together, make sure I clean it out. Make sure you do that. You don't want anything shorting out, jumping. Make sure your shit's all good. You'll be pissed off if that thing goes into protection after all that work. There you go. Put it back together. 2 Protons done. Those are the original speaker relays. You can see the part number. Mine were omrons I put in there. It came from Germany. It took about 2.5 weeks. Yep, there it is. All of its glory. I hope that helped.